Okay, so the next tool here is the spot healing brush tool. So all you just do is you click on the spot and it just takes it out. As easy as that. It just replaces those bad blemish parts with I don't know what it replaces with, but it just blends to the skin. So let's go back to initial picture. So let's check out the next one, patch tool. The patch tool is a very simple tool. All you do is click and circle out um, the blemish and you drag and select a much better part of the face or part of the skin to replace it with. So just click, circle, and you drag over to a better area of the face. As easy as that. As you can see, when you zoom in, so you see better. She doesn't have much pimples on her face, or we could, yeah, could replace some parts. Kind of like this too, anyway. So here you go. You see something here. So you can just click, you left click, and circle out, then you drag. It mustn't be circle, it could be any irregular shape, you know. Yeah, it has to start and end at a particular point. It's okay. Contact away to basically this one does almost similar to the patch tool. So you just click and you drag, just like taking a sample of that particular part of the face and maybe use to replace anywhere you want it to be replaced at. So the next one here is the brush tool. So basically the brush tool is more like a normal brush, but you can adjust the effect of the brush here, and the color of this particular brush is always this four color here, this one. So all you to change color, you just tap here and you this panel comes up, so you change the color to whatever you want to, whatever color you desire. So I'll create a new layer so I can paint on the new layer. As you can see, it's quite dull because the opacity is not set to be 100%. So you can increase it depending on what you want to paint on. Yeah, you can see that. So now let's see how the hardness looks like. Here you go. This is quite hard. So you see the edges. These edges are quite soft, while these are kind of hard. So you can adjust your hardness depending on what you want to achieve or what you want to paint on. And here's your opacity panel. Okay. So let's go to the next. I'm skipping this because you have to check that on by yourself. So this mixer brush basically mixes color. You don't have to go over here to select a particular color. It just takes sample from whatever point you're starting from, and it takes it along. It just drags it out. It just makes it out. Like here is brown, so if you're painting out, it's going to drag from that point you're starting from out to wherever you want to paint out from. Here you see the color of the hood, as you can see. There you go. It just takes a sample from the starting point. So basically that's what the mixer brush does. They're quite professional too, but later on you get to understand why I said so. So let's see the next one. Pencil tool, basically um, more like a pencil. So you want to reduce the size to look more like a pencil, and you increase the opacity and change the color of your pencil. So you can see how it looks like. So if you're using an electronic pad or maybe a mouse, or maybe you want to do a signature or something, you can easily go and you sign, and you have this nice looking formats. Yeah. It's also a nice tool. So let's go back. So the next one here is clone stamp. Basically, clone stamp, just like the name implies, it clones parts of your image and like duplicates it. So to take a sample of what you want to clone, you just click alternate key. Let's take a sample of the lips. You just click alternate and you click your left click on your mouse. Okay, then you go to wherever you want to clone it on. So starting from the lips, as you can see, I click, I depress my key down and then move around the image. You can see, yeah, kind of duplicated this starting from the lips to the whole part of the face, depending on where I want to display. So it's going to be like this. So coming here to paint might just not show anything because it's out of the picture. Like there's nothing here, like just like the edge. Like this is where the edge is of this particular one you're painting at. So I'm sure there's nothing here. So this is where it ends. So you can't paint more than this. So I can just paint around so you see the full picture. Cloning that same picture. So you can see this is the edge. Anything more than this won't apply. There's one funny thing you can also do. So try to replace maybe the left eye with the right eye. And just click your clone stamp tool and you click alternate, take this eye, and before you paste, you just create a new layer and you paste this eye. So now you can adjust the left to the right side of the eye, so you get something like this. So you can easily replace the eye in case of any eye defect or anything. So this will come with a more professional look anyway. Well, just to show you what this tool can do, as you can see, it can actually duplicate certain parts of your images. So let's go back. Next one here is your history brush tool. Basically, your history brush tool just takes you back to, just like this history panel, it takes you back to your initial picture. So imagine you've done a lot with this picture. Say you've let's use our brush tool now and just create some workflow, or let's say a mistake or something, or you want to go back to the beginning initial photo. Instead of just going through this panel here, you can just use a history brush to just take this out and it takes you back to the initial photo. Just like an eraser trying to get rid of this part. Or maybe, for example, you're trying to increase I'm using a curve, trying to increase the brightness of the face, but you want every other part to be the normal color. So you can use a history brush to just take every other part to the initial way it looks like. So just go over the other part of the photo, like so. So the brightness just affects just the face. There you go. Yeah. So you see, it takes this back to the initial, but the face is left out. Stay bright. Good.